Behind every high-quality sequin product, there is a professional manufacturing team. At Ruzhou Yunfan Textile, we focus on creating innovative and reliable textile products for global customers.
Our factory combines advanced production processes, skilled workers, and strict quality management to deliver products with consistent quality. From sparkling sequin backdrops and table decorations to customized textile products, we support various designs and market demands. Our experienced engineers work closely with customers to develop new products and provide flexible solutions for different applications. With years of international export experience, our products have reached markets in North America, South America, and Europe. We understand that every customer has different requirements, so we offer customized services from product design to packaging. Reliable quality, professional production, and dedicated service make Yunfan Textile your trusted manufacturing partner in China.